So I am here at the Federal School of Fisheries and Maritime Technology in Ugbo. Well, I used to tell people that this project here is going to change the face of tourism, not just in Enugu State, but in Nigeria as a whole. Located in Ugbo, a community in the local government area of Enugu State, is the Federal College of Fisheries and Marine Technology. This project, when completed, is going to serve as a higher educational institute as well as a tourist destination. I've always maintained that this project, when completed, is going to change the face of tourism not just in Enugu State, but in Nigeria as a whole. Ugbo, due to its topography, is an already top tourist destination in Enugu State, with people coming from far and wide to hike, camp, explore and visit waterfalls in the communities. Attend cultural events like Ajo Festival, but the community lacks basic infrastructure that will keep tourists in the community for days, like hotels and lodges, fun recreational activities like boating, canoeing or kayaking. But with this project in place, all these worries will be over. With the rate this project is going, in less than a year, the place will be up and running. As time goes on, I'll be updating you guys on what is going on here and the current stage of work at the site. But let's just take a quick tour to see what the place looks like currently. So this side is a restaurant, a rooftop restaurant and bar. It has two sections, this section and the other section. So let me show you the other section of the restaurant. This is one of the restaurants and bar, rooftop restaurant. This is a kitchen, while this is also a kitchen. This is a store. This is a restaurant, the indoor restaurant, while this is the outdoor restaurant. Those are rooms, hotel. For people who wish to lodge here, you can see the room. You can see the room, the toilet and bedroom, wardrobe. This is also a room. Okay, you know what? Let's just count it and see how many rooms are here. One, two, three. $21, $22. These ones are going to serve as an office. This one included. These ones are going to serve as an office. This is convenience. And more of a lounge. This one is a lounge. These are also convenience. This one is a suite.
So this is a hall for entertainment, conference. You know, this is what this place is going to be used for. It's for entertainment. If you want to have a wedding, reception, if you want to have a meeting, a conference, and this is the place for it. Let's go and see what is upstairs. For people who want to have a nice view, this place can also serve as a restaurant. A place for relaxation.